Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Facebook Lite to save memory on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! So, as you can see, we have our normal Facebook installed, but there is one single problem. This is a very large application. Now, on some newer devices this isn't really an issue because you have plenty of space, but on some older devices a very big Facebook application can kill your memory. Trust me, I know something about it, so let's change it. First, we want to enter our Play Store. And as you can see, I have already searched for the Facebook and we can see it right here. And you will notice that the similar app is available called Facebook Lite. But before we actually click that, we can simply go and uninstall our normal Facebook. And I want you to pay attention to the size of the application. We have our Facebook Lite, which is 2.8 megabytes, which is very small amount. And when we click view, you notice that the normal Facebook application is 20 so what's it? 90, not 20, 91 megabytes. I don't think I have to explain how much of an increase that is, but of course now you want to just hit install and install your Facebook Lite. And if you don't really see the similar app is available, you can just always search for the Facebook Lite version and you should see it right here. By the way, you probably don't want to click anything that comes up in the sponsored field, because usually it's not even related, even slightly, to your search bar. And that's literally it. You can now hit open, you can log in as, I have no idea why it's horizontal now, but whatever, you can now just log in. Seriously, what happened with my auto rotation? Thank you. You can just log in and scroll through the Facebook, contact your friends, messages. You can even contact your enemies if you have some. Yeah, you have plenty of things to do. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.